What's going on, guys? LG just announced their new flagship phone, the LG V20. Now, this is a powerhouse of a phone, so let's get right into the specs. The screen size is a whopping 5.7-inch screen. On the back, you have your fingerprint scanner with a 16 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. Now, this phone does have a removable battery, thank God. On the side, you see a button there. You press that button and they'll release the metal plate so you can replace your battery. The battery is a 3200 milliamp battery with expandable memory up to 256 gig. On the bottom of the phone, you have your speakers, your headphone jack, and also your USB Type-C quick charge. And this is my favorite part of the phone. LG brought back their second display. Now this display is genius and I love it. LG improved on the display by making it more brighter and also adding more tools that you can use on that display. And also, when your main screen is off, the always on display will be displayed on the top of the secondary screen. Now out the box, this phone will have Android and Nougat. The phone will come in 3 different colors: silver, pink, and titanium gray. Now this phone is an alternative from Samsung. This phone do have a removable battery, and if anything happens to your battery, you can just swap it out. My question to you guys is, are you going to buy this phone? Are you excited about it? The price in it and the availability of this phone hasn't been released yet. So tell me what you think about this phone, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.